You need administrator privileges to build a singularity image from a definition file. Therefore, you cannot build the singularity image from a definition file on the NIG Supercomputer. Since Singularity version 3, the remote build function has been added so that you can build images on the Scilab's remote builder server and download them. Also, the Mac version of Singularity cannot build images from definition files locally. So Mac users need to use remote build. First, open Cloud Scilab's I/O in your web browser and sign in. There are several services available for sign in. So select that service with your account and sign in. I signed in using GitHub here. After signing in, create an API key and copy the generated API key to your clipboard. It is okay because the API key shown here has already been deleted, but make sure that others do not know your API key. Now, let's build a singularity image on the NIG Supercomputer using the definition file shown earlier. Execute the singularity remote login command and login using the API key you copied earlier. After that, execute the singularity build command with the remote option. The image will be built on the Scilab server, and the image will be downloaded to the current working directory when the build is completed. Execute the tree command with the built image. The built image remains in the remote builder and can be downloaded elsewhere using the singularity remote login command and the singularity pull command. Please note that the storage limit of remote builder is not very large, 11 GB.